Hey everyone, welcome guys to another EPG Studios video, guys. This channel has been growing amazingly. I never thought I'd be close to 100,000, so I am so happy for that. So thank you. Let's also get to 200 subscribers, guys. It'd be much appreciated. And also check out all of us social media accounts in the description. Sorry for the lightness here. I'm not at my main setup. I'm at the my EPG studio setup, so it's a little bit dark over here because I don't have any lighting over here. But until my main setup gets fixed up again, I will not be using that for recording, so I can just deal with this lighting right now, this weird little lighting aesthetic. But anyway, we're gonna be talking about some important news about the new Instagram Reel, and I'm gonna be going into that. So let's before we do, smash that like button, guys, and subscribe, guys, and we're gonna have some fun with this. All right, check it. Let's go. Hey everyone, guys, so we are back. So thank you for watching that awesome intro, guys. So we're gonna be talking about Instagram Reels, okay? We're gonna be looking at, I think, from the Wall Street Journal, one of these. So Facebook seems to be offering, because you guys know Facebook owns Instagram now. If you've been living under a rock, but Facebook does own Instagram. So to Reel and the TikTok creators, Instagram makes an incredible offer to popular TikTok users to join its new competitive service, rising stakes in social media rivalry. TikTok's popular video music messaging app with Chinese roots is facing global security as countries scrutiny because countries consider imposing restrictions on the company. Why the U.S. government says the platform poses a risk in American smartphones, photos. Okay, Facebook, Instagram has offered financial incentives to TikTok users. Oh, you got some. What kind of crap is that? We'll just read up to what we can. High stakes showdown between the two social media giants. Instagram has made a sensitive offers to some TikTok most popular creators to use the new service. Reels according to people familiar with the matter. Facebook expanding some video Reel next month. This month actually it goes in the 5th. I can't wait to get my hands on it. Okay, we can. Let's check out this thing from Crunch. I don't know really what this site is called, but I guess it's called Crunch, so let's have some fun with it. Instagram confirmed it's preparing to soon launch its TikTok compatible known as Reels. In the US, the company expects to bring a new video feature which is designed specifically for short-form creative content to its platform early August, according to. I'm still trying to understand what this is, though. This should be very interesting, though. Okay. U.S. launches comes shortly in after Reels arrival in India this month, following the ban of TikTok in the market. Reels has also been tested in Brazil, France, and Germany. NBC News reported that this month Instagram arrived in the U.S. more than 50 other countries in a matter of weeks, citing sources familiar with the matter. Facebook spokesperson confirmed the U.S. and international launch, saying we're excited to bring Reels to more countries, including the U.S. in early August, without providing specific details on which further markets will be added. Guys, there's a lot more that has like Byte and also Clash, which are some really good apps. I'll be doing a comparison to those soon. I'm gonna be releasing a lot of videos today with all the new stuff coming out. So if you guys can, come back, check out some more content. This will be the most videos I released in one day, so this will be interesting. But let's keep going. Reels is designed to directly challenge TikTok growing domains. In a new area, the Instagram app Reels allows users to create post-short 15-second videos set to music or other audio, similar to TikTok. Also, like TikTok, Reels offers a set of editing tools like countdown timer tools to adjust. The countdown timer is very important. Okay, to move to more quickly roll out Reels to more. Okay, so anyway, pretty much what this is just saying. The fact is that they're going to be trying to copy TikTok. I'm not too sure if TikTok will sue them in the countries that they're not banned in, but we'll find that out. Instagram is really doing completely they kicked them in the butt move, but they might be lost though, because if Microsoft purchases TikTok, they're gonna be screwed. So their plan completely relies on TikTok not signing over rights over to Microsoft. And that being said, if they do not sign over rights over to Microsoft, then we're gonna have a complete problem. Then because Instagram Reels will not it's just gonna be a gimmick that no one's gonna use because of TikTok is still around. They are counting on the fact of Microsoft to take over, and they're counting on the fact that Microsoft will not buy TikTok, which is a very hard fact. They might be good in India, but if TikTok is not bought by Microsoft, then they're going to be completely fine. But if they are, they're screwed. So this whole entire plan here is all going to rely on the next few hours of what goes on. So yeah, guys, I'll be posting all my videos, guys. If you guys can like and subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. And I'll check you guys next time. Peace.